Hello my people, welcome again to Glatory. On my today's video I'll show you how I made this Roselle Zobo Tea. This is very easy tea you can make on your own. This is another form of having your Zobo drink but in a tea form. So very easy to make. So I will guide you through on how you can make yours. You can see it's diffusing. This is easy tea with no preservative and no addictive. Here I'm using 250 dehydrated Roselle flower for this. I dehydrated it by myself, so it's already clean before dehydration. So I'll be crushing it with this blender. So remember, if today is your first time you're seeing my video, you're highly welcome. This is Glatory, where you will learn a lot of things. So feel free to check out all my videos. You can see it's already crushed. So I'll be crushing it under ones like this. This is the Ceylon Cinnamon. So when making your tea, it's important to use this Ceylon Cinnamon because it's more healthier than the other cassia cinnamon. Okay, and this is my dehydrated pineapple. So I'll be slicing it into tiny pieces. So if you're seeing my video for the first time, please remember to subscribe to my channel at Glatory and follow my page on Facebook at Glatory Flavors. Here I use dehydrated lemon, sliced lemon. So this is ginger, and I added the cloves, but it did not show. Yeah, I think my video was not recording when I put the cloves. So now I'll be blending it with my blender so that it will turn into more powdery form, but not to blend so powdery, just a crushed. So you can see all crushed already. So remember to like my video. Please like my video, comment, and please share. So now I'm using this tea bag for my packaging. I added 2 spoons of each on each bag. And I'll tie the knot, yeah, so that it does not leak out. So just as I told you, if you can make it, why do you need to buy? At least you're sure there is no preservative inside. Everything was done by me. I dehydrated them from beginning to the end. So now I decided to give it another packaging so that it will last longer. So I'll be sealing this with my sealing machine. So these are optional. You don't have to do this, but I did it because I want it to last longer so that I don't lose the flavor. So if you have watched me to this far, I wonder what you're waiting for. Why don't you subscribe to my channel, like my page at Glatory Flavors, and please follow me on my page, like, comment, and please share. So now I'm trying my tea. I added the hot water. You can see it diffusing. So you can see the color is out. So the longer you allow it, the longer the color will keep coming out. The more and more. You can see how the color now thickens up. So it looks nice. Hope you get to try this. So I have to package it on different packs because I need to send some to my mom. Yes. Hope you get to try this tea. This is very easy to make. If you can do it, why do you need to buy? At least you're sure of what you are putting inside your body. So why don't you give it a try? Let's see. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye.